In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import assets via CSV in Freshservice. Importing assets in bulk is a great way to keep your inventory up to date without adding items one by one. To begin, head to the left panel and open Assets, then select Inventory. This is where your asset repository lives, and it's the right place to manage all incoming records from a CSV. Next, click Import. This opens the Import wizard, which guides you through bringing your data into Freshservice safely and accurately. You'll first be asked to select the asset type you're importing. Choose the category that matches your CSV, like laptops, mobile devices, or any custom asset type you use. This ensures the fields available for mapping line up with what's in your file. Now upload your CSV file. You can browse for it or drag and drop, as long as it's a properly formatted CSV with clear column headers. It's helpful if your file uses consistent values and clean data, especially for fields like location, department, or vendor. You'll then choose how Freshservice should match records for updates. This is important when you're not only adding new assets, but also updating existing ones. Pick a field that uniquely identifies each asset, such as an asset tag or serial number. With a reliable match field, Freshservice can update the correct records and avoid duplicates. If you're only adding new assets, you can still set a match rule to prevent accidental duplicates later. Next, move into Map fields. The Import wizard will display your CSV headers and automatically map them to the corresponding Freshservice fields. Review those mappings carefully. If anything doesn't look right, adjust it so each CSV column points to the correct asset field. Pay special attention to drop-down or pick list fields to make sure your values match what exists in Freshservice. For dates, confirm the format in your CSV, like DD, YYYY, or DD, YYYY, and select that same format during import so dates are interpreted correctly. Once everything looks good, click Import to start the process. Freshservice will begin creating or updating asset records based on your mappings and match rules. Larger files may take a little longer, so give it a moment. When the import completes, you'll be able to review your inventory and confirm that assets landed in the right place with the correct details. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, navigating to Inventory, starting an import, choosing the asset type, uploading your CSV, setting match rules, reviewing field mappings, verifying date formats, and starting the import, you'll keep your asset data clean, consistent, and easy to manage.